Well, good morning to you. Taking a look at all of our cameras across the region this morning, we're seeing a lot of variability in the clouds. Lots of sunshine in Stanton. We're also seeing some of those really nice leaves changing color. At LMCU Ballpark, a little bit more cloud cover, and the Grand Rapids cam behind me showing some of those clouds. We have upper level and lower level clouds in our camera as well. Another thing I want to point out is how wonderful this looks today. We've got a lot of variability in these clouds, a little bit of blue being able to peek through. It does look like right now we're seeing those clouds casting a shadow on a lot of this, but you can still see all of those leaves changing color. So it is a great time of year. A little bit chillier though, 48 degrees currently, variable clouds depending on where you're at. Right now though, it feels like 44 and our winds are pushing in from the south. Right now, temperatures mainly in those upper 40s to lower 50s. These temperatures are only going to rise a handful of degrees before reaching our highs for today. Our highs are set to be in those lower 50s. So another cooler, chillier day, and that's going to continue to be the story headed into the end of the week and into our weekend. Winds are pushing in from the south and the west, anywhere between about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Does look like off to our north, you've got some lighter winds, but inland anywhere between 5 to 15, and along the lakeshore, those winds are really starting to pick up. Some of you even reaching the 20s, but individual gusts could be in those 30s as well, upper 20s in some spots. So make sure you got all the Halloween decorations tied down. Taking a look at satellite and radar, we're going to continue to see lake effect showers pushing through. A couple of lightning bolts associated with some of them up north, but luckily here just some general showers. Also looking off to our west, we've got some ice and snow in parts of Wisconsin, and that might be our story headed into the end of this week and into the beginning of next week. Some of those lake effect showers, you can see them popping up from the lake, pushing inland. These are going to be light, variable, and they're going to be very quick, moving in and out of the region relatively fast. We're going to continue to see those headed into the rest of today. Does look like we'll see another round headed into our Friday evening. We could have a larger round of showers pushing through. We're going to wait for it. There it is. Looks like it'll start to come in overnight Friday, lingering into Saturday morning. Then we'll start to see some clearing. Clouds redevelop, bringing us more chances for showers Saturday, headed into our Sunday. For today, temperatures rise to only 52 degrees. Another cool one out there, as well as breezy. Scattered lake effect showers still possible. For tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Also, those chances of showers lingering. 37 degrees will be our low. This is going to continue. We will continue to see temperatures, especially our low overnight temperatures, in those 30s. High temperatures only reaching the 50s headed into the rest of the weekend. We've got scattered chances of showers. They look to be very light. By Monday, say it ain't snow. We pulled out our first snow icon for the season. Does look like Monday we could actually have the potential to see some of those flakes, overnight temperatures dipping into those lower 30s. We'll continue to see that headed into the remainder of next week, but don't fret. It does look like a lot of the snow should be pretty light.